Hi friends, this is your presenter of Ekal Yatri has Sujay. My name is Sujay Sarkar and I have travelled a long distance from Bhubaneswar solely on my Hercules Street Rider, covering a total distance of more than 104 kilometers right now. So I am at the Chilka Lake. The iconic Chilka Lake is a part of the Bay of Bengal and to the eastern coastline of incredible Odisha. So you can see behind me the view of the amazing lake. I was prepared to go to Kalijai temple, but I inquired from the ticket counter and they have said that since there is no passenger right now in the evening for the evening hours to visit the temple, so I have to come tomorrow instead and visit the temple. The overall journey will take near about 2.5 hours. Uh, to the temple, it is 1 hour journey. At the temple, half an hour, and the return journey is 1 hour. And the prices are given in the list of the ticket counter for the ticket. The weather here has changed dramatically. It was very sunny, hot and humid. All of a sudden, there is a cloudy weather and it might rain after some time. भाई कालीजाई टेम्पलटा केते दूर बाट एठू 100 किलोमीटर ओ 16 किलोमीटर 16 किलोमीटर
16 किलोमीटर ଯିବା ପାଇଁ 100 କିଲୋମିଟର ଆସିବା ପାଇଁ 100 କିଲୋମିଟର
ଓ 32 किलोमीटर ओवरऑल तो आज ଆଉ ହେଇ ପାରିବନି ନାଇଁ काली ପାଇଁ कोन रिजर्व करके रखिए पड़िबो कि
ना ना रिजर्व ना काली आसले काउंटर को आसले आपन पे मिसे की चढ़ाबो
काली सकाळ 6टा रे
हां सकाळ 6टा
6टा माने 6टा आगे मते आसिया पड़िबो
6टा रे आसन 6टा आगे नहीं 6टा रे
अच्छा तो एठू केते बेले स्टार्ट होबो
6:30 ରୁ स्टार्ट हो
अच्छा थैंक यू So friends, there will be a night stay at either at Chilka or Balugaon, and tomorrow I'll be visiting the Kalijai temple, and after visiting the temple I'll be just have a sightseeing around and then start for Bhubaneswar. There was a plan that I will be visiting Gopalpur sea beach, but due to some unavoidable conditions I have to return to Bhubaneswar. Maybe I will be coming there and visiting Gopalpur sea beach some other day. And after Chilka, the plan is to go to Kakatpur in Puri district of Odisha. And then in the first 2 weeks of December, I won't be traveling anywhere. And yes, I will be traveling, but within Bhubaneswar only. And after that I'll be visiting the Ma Tarini temple at Ghatagaon, Kendujhar district of Odisha. So have a nice evening friends, and just permit me to take some refreshment and relaxation. Namaskar and bye.